Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your resume on Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to glassdoor.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can access all your profile features. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on your name at the very top. This action will take you directly to your profile settings page where you can manage your personal information and documents. Once you're on your profile page, look at the left panel. You'll notice several navigation options listed there. Click on the one that says Resume and Experience. This section is where Glassdoor stores all your uploaded resumes and work history, making it easy to manage your professional documents in one place. Here's where you'll find your uploaded resume. Look for the three dotted lines positioned right beside your resume file. Click on those dots to open a small menu with different actions you can take. From this menu, select Delete. This option allows you to permanently remove your resume from your Glassdoor profile. After you click Delete, a confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you really want to remove this document. This is an important safety feature to prevent accidental deletions. Click Yes, Delete to confirm your choice, and your resume will be permanently removed from your Glassdoor account. Now, if you'd prefer to replace your old resume with a newer version instead of deleting it entirely, there's an easy way to do that. Simply click the Upload Resume button. This will open a file browser window on your computer, allowing you to select a different document from your files. Browse through your files until you locate the resume you want to upload. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then click Open. This will begin uploading your new resume to Glassdoor. Give it a moment to process as the system needs to analyze and upload your document. After the upload completes, you'll be able to review how your resume appears on the platform. Take a look at the formatting and make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click the Looks Good button to finalize the upload. And that's it. You've successfully managed your resume on Glassdoor, whether you deleted it or replaced it with an updated version. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.